Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can take your seat. Please speak loudly and clearly. You may examine.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you please introduce yourself to the jury?
Yes, my name is Sarah Newhouse, and I am currently the Behavioral Wellness Coordinator for the Police Department. Back in 2014, I was the victim advocate.
You're a victim advocate for the Tallahassee Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in your role as a victim advocate, what does that entail when you work for the police department?
Typically, it's following up with victims that are victims of crime, usually persons crimes, homicides, suicides, sexual batteries, domestic violence, things of that nature. And it's providing support, kind of being a middle person between them and the police investigation team.
And in that role as a victim advocate, were you working on July 18th of 2014?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Did you have occasion to get assigned to be the victim advocate for Wendi Adelson?
Yes, I did.
And were you present for the vast majority of her interview with law enforcement?
I was.
Were you also present when Wendi Adelson called her mother, Donna Adelson, towards the end of that interview?
I was.
And did you have an opportunity to listen to the portion of the interview where Wendi Adelson called her mother?
I did.
And I'm going to show you what is marked for identification purposes as Defense 71. Did you have an opportunity to listen to this exhibit?
I did.
Okay, and is the portion of the recording true and accurate reflection of what you remember from July 18th of 2014 when Wendi Adelson called her mother?
It is.
Okay. When Wendi Adelson called her mother, do you recall Donna Adelson's reaction to being told that Dan Markell had been shot?
Yes.
Okay. Did this upset her?
She sounded shocked, I guess would be the word that you'd say.
And it appeared that this was the first time she was hearing about it?
Yes.
And did she make any statements that you could hear from where you were sitting?
I don't recall if I could hear other than reviewing the video, but it sounded like a normal amount of upset given a crisis situation.
Your Honor, at this point in time, I'd move into evidence Defense 71.
Any objection?
Judge, I haven't reviewed this exact item, but based on what the defense has represented to me is on there, I don't have an objection. I do want to review it on the break and reserve the right to object. So subject to that, no objection.
A lot of qualifications.
Well, there's just...
Members of the jury, we're going to take a brief break. The bailiff will take it to the jury room. You can be seated. If anyone needs to stretch their legs or use the restroom, please do it now.
It includes Wendi Adelson saying this is the worst day of my life before the call connects, and then it includes the witness telling Ms. Adelson she did an awesome job on the call after the call disconnects. So I would object to those two comments. I'm fine. I understand they don't tend to publish it right now, so subject to those objections, no objection to the exhibit once those things are removed.
Mr. Zellman?
As I indicated to Ms. Dugan when Ms. Cappleman was watching it, I got to remember how I snipped it, but I don't have a problem removing the comment before and the comment after before it's published for the jury.
That Defense 71 will be admitted. The proper redactions will need to be made. You can bring back in the jurors. Everyone can be seated. Defense 71 is admitted at this time. You may continue with your examination.
I have no further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
Cross-examination.
Did you hear any weeping or wailing going on at the other end of the phone during this phone call?
Not that I recall, no.
Did you know Donna Adelson?
No.
Have you ever met her?
No.
So you don't know what her normal demeanor is like?
Correct, I don't.
Okay. But Wendi Adelson, her daughter, presumably does know.
Correct.
And do you remember Wendi Adelson making the comment after that phone call that she handled that well?
Objection, Your Honor. That's hearsay. That's exactly what was asked to be removed from the recording.
Please sit down. As to the hearsay, sustain.
No further questions.
Redirect.
No, Your Honor. Can you just strike the question from Ms. Cappleman?
Members of the jury, you are to disregard. The last question of the prosecutor is to be struck from the record. You may step down. Will the witness be recalled?
No, Your Honor.
As to your exhibit, do you wish to publish or just leave in evidence?
Not at this time, Your Honor. I do need to make the edits that were requested outside the presence of the jury so that it removes the two references. That could just take a few minutes.
Well, the jury will have a brief break. The bailiff will take you to the jury room once again. Everyone can be seated. Please make all necessary redactions and changes at this time.